Never felt like that before. Ooh, you the realest. Yeah, I admit it. All in my feelings. Damn, had to pause. But wait a minute.
Hey everybody, welcome back. So first I just want to apologize for my voice. I am a little sick, but I did want to get this video out to you guys, and it's just a simple everyday go-to look. If you want to see it, keep watching. So first I'm just blending out that foundation, and it is the L'Oreal Paris Soft Sable foundation, and then I'm going in with my concealer and just putting it on all the areas I want to highlight. And normally I go under my eyes and I go under my eyes, I go on my bridge of my nose, my forehead just a little, under, or should I say above my lip, and on my chin. And I just like highlight all of that, as you can see me doing now. So I pretty much don't have to do too much talking through this part, because you can see everything I just told you. So yeah. So here I am just taking my beauty blender and just blending out all of that concealer, and I'm using the same beauty blender that I use for my foundation. So next I'm going to go in with my Sacha Buttercup, and I'm going to set all of that concealer, and this is it. And you want to also go in with your beauty blender, and I'm using the same one, and you're just going to, pat it on there and make sure it's a smooth surface. So pretty much after you put all the powder, you want to go in with your chestnut from the LA Girl Pro Concealer and do like a natural type highlight. What the fuck? Okay, natural type contour. So yeah, you just gonna contour everything you want to hide on your face with this color from LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Chestnut. So yeah, moving on. Clearly I'm still doing this. So, okay. Moving on. I want to go in and just get a new beauty blender. I don't know why I can't talk. And just blend out all of those lines and squigglies that I made for my contour. So you just see me just blending it out still, and I'm just making sure that I get it all. And I like to go a little bit around like where the powder is. But yeah, I'm gonna go back in with that purple beauty blender that I use for my foundation and concealer, and just go back in with some more Sacha Buttercup underneath to give it a more snatched kind of contour, but still natural. So I'm just gonna bring that powder all the way down and just blend it, make sure it's smooth or whatnot. And then yeah, this is what you see me doing right now. So next you're gonna see me go in with this Soft Focus finishing powder from Black Radiance. I love it, you guys. It is the bomb. And I'm just tapping that excess off and just going to work on this face. Like, come on, sis, beating this face with these brushes. So yeah, I'm just beating the mess out of this space, you guys. I have not stopped beating this space yet. Like, come on. Let's get really into it. Okay. Next. Okay, so I'm going back in with that contour beauty blender that I was using for my contour. I'm going back in with that and just, blending out all the edges on my contour. And I'm really trying to get this forehead down because, sis, I shouldn't have highlighted this in the first place. Okay, but yeah, we just. We gonna deal with it, all right? So don't even come for me like that, okay? Don't even do it. So you just see me going in with that beauty blender, and I'm just blending out that powder too as well with it. And you gotta always make sure your beauty blender is damp, you guys. Make sure. Or like, it's like, what are you blending? Like, sis, you caking it up here, caking it up. So I'm going in with this duo palette, and I'm just gonna blend that over my contour spots, and it's just gonna give it a more snatched look. And that brush wasn't doing it, so sis switched it, of course. And so I'm gonna go in with that beauty blender, and I'm just gonna blend out the edges of my contour. Make sure everything is just going together, looking the part. So you just see me taking that same finishing powder, and I'm just going over all of that, pretty much just making sure everything is blended together and looking nice. And that kind of just, brings everything together. So you just see me putting that powder, making everything come together. And I'm not sure of the name of this eyeliner, but I will link it down below if I can find it. But I just got it from my local beauty supply store, and it's doing its job, like, to be this cheap is doing its job. So you just see me doing a little thin line, and this line has to be as thin as possible and as natural as possible as it can be. And it's just to hide the indication from your lashes to your lid, make it look more natural. So you just see me reading the lash glue, and I have the natural lash adhesive in I'm about to say in the shade, but I have it in the color black, and that's what it looks like. Mine's a little busted, but whatever. If it ain't busted, it ain't your fave. You hear me? And I'm just going back in with my powder brush after throwing on them lashes, and I'm just blending everything out before I go in with the holy grail, and that is this Wet n Wild Natural Photo Focus setting spray. Damn, that's a lot to say. And so I'm gonna go in and take this fan brush, and we're gonna go in that Morphe palette and grab the shade Dream, and we're gonna use that as our highlighter, and we're gonna highlight our nose, our cheekbones, underneath our eye, our chin, and our cupid's bow, and the normal. So I'm just going over that shade Dream that I used to highlight, and I'm going over it with the shade Crystal out of the same Morphe 24G palette. And we're just going to, use all that to highlight. However, I did highlight my forehead a little too much. That's doing a little too much to this forehead today. So I'm going to go in with this brush, and I'm just going to blend it out. So I'm just blending it out or whatever, and I did not add any extra on. As you see me going back in with my fan brush to complete the highlight, I did not add any extra. And I'm going in with two Ruby Kisses. First I'm going in with pale nude liner, and then I'm gonna go in with the gingerbread on top of that. And that's what you see me doing right now, so I don't have to pretty much talk too much. So here I am just putting that on there looking all types of crazy. But you know, trust the process, sis. We're going to do it. Trust the process. We're going to get right into it. So next you see me going in with this ColourPop Atoll, which however you pronounce it. I'm just going in with that. So I'm just still going in with it. Y'all know my lips big. So don't forget to coat your lashes. I had forgot to do mine's before I put my lashes on, but hey, at least we got it done. I did not like that color, so that's why you seen me go in with a makeup remover wipe and take it off. And I'm going in with this NK lip pencil in the shade brown, and I'm gonna just take my Victoria's Secret Indulgence lip gloss, and I'm gonna just go over it, okay? And that's what you see me doing now. So I'm just showing y'all the finished look after putting on that gloss, and this is the finished look, you guys. So if you like videos like this, don't forget to give this a thumbs up. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe and share, and I'll see you next time in the next video. Thank you for watching.
Ooh, you can get it. I never felt like that before. Ooh, you the realest, yeah.